everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging a bit today. I am back with my latest Beachly unboxing. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have furry sidekicks that are still figuring out how to behave. We have Dexter, the blue tick beagle. We have Willie, who's fighting with him over his toy. He's a Jack Russell. And then Loki, who's also trying to get in on it, and he's a Westie. All right, so we hope you stick around for long haul. Hit that subscribe so it can keep on doing this. Beachly is a seasonal beach subscription box. It brings all the coastal vibes right to your door, and they have different boxes you can choose from. So I get the women's box, but they have a men's box, a beauty box, and a home decor box in case you want to give it a try. It's an amazing subscription. $250 value comes in each box, so the price of the items, and you do get customization, so you can kind of pick and choose what you want, and you can shop their shop as well. If you pay annually, you'll save $15 a box, and it's $84 per box plus shipping. $336 total plus shipping. And if you pay seasonally, it's $99 a box plus shipping. I'll of course put my link down below so you can get a discount towards your first box. Okay, hopefully I can get the crew to chill a bit. When I first opened my box, this is what I see. And it says, "Hello Sunshine. By ordering this box, you have helped protect and restore vital coastal ecosystems. A portion of proceeds has been donated to our partner, Sea Trees, who will be using your donation to maintain the health of kelp forests in Southern California, watersheds in Maui, and more. Thank you for being a Beachly member and supporting the Sea Trees mission." So I love that. You get a little book here that'll tell you a bit about some of the pieces in here. And this is the winter box. It says, "While winter brings crisp mornings and shorter days, it also holds a quiet kind of magic, the calm of the ocean in its off-season, the golden glow of a tropical sunset, and the comfort of slowing down." There's more here, but we're going to get right into the box. I'm excited. Okay. First up, these are the Vivian sunglasses by Key. The value is $55. You get a little sunglass case. The sunglasses are all covered up and protected. I'm excited about these because I really did want a fun aviator. This one's in gold. How cute are these? I love these. Because even though we are headed towards snowy weather coming, the reflection of the snow usually still requires sunglasses even in the winter because we don't get a lot of sun in the winter. No. So the value is $55. It says, "Turn every seaside stroll into a runway moment with these glam oversized aviator sunglasses designed with a sleek metal frame and a chic double bridge. They bring effortless coastal cool to your look. The gradient lenses are perfect for watching the waves roll in, while the adjustable nose pad keeps them comfy and secure, no slipping, even on salty beach days." I love these too because they're not touching my cheeks. They're comfortable. Very nice. The little nose pads. Yeah, I like these. These are adorable. I'm excited. I'm going to put them right in my little case right now. All right, next up. Oh, and they even gave you a little sunglass rag. Sunglass cloth. That's the right word. Okay. What is this? This is refreshed, brighter, tighter, lifted. It is the face wipe. Brighten, hydrate, and firm dull skin with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. So this one says, "It's time to glow up. Life dulling your shine. This line will boost and brighten your tired skin and sleepy mind. No rinse required." So vitamin C brightens the look of skin and helps nurture the skin and improve the look of firmness. And hyaluronic acid increases moisture retention and prevents dehydration. So, and they are little individual wipes, which is perfect because then that means they're also great for packing. I love that. Next up, I have Daily Concepts Multifunctional Soap Sponge Mother of Pearl. It is soap on the outside, sponge on the inside. I love these. That's awesome. All right, then this is going to be fun. This is by Saltwater Luxe, and it's a set. It's a set. Yay. I love a good set. Check this out. And it's so super soft. Oh, wait till you see this. So it's called the Blue Fog Sweatshirt. All yummy soft. Can you see that? Oh, it looks so good. So it has the fun little follow the, what does it say? Follow the sunshine with the waves on the front. And then check out the palm tree and the sun and the waves in the back. This is adorable. Oh, I love this. That's adorable. And then the matching pants. I love that they do fun clothing. Check this out. These are the matching pants. I got stuff going everywhere. I love that they're just a pant, meaning they're not jogger bottoms. See? The wide leg pant. The same cozy fabric. Drawstring waist. And check out the side. Do you not love that? Down the side of the leg. Oh, I love these. I'm so excited about that. All right, we're going to have to try that on. That is adorable. So the Blue Fog sweatshirt, it values at $78. Bring the beach vibes with you wherever you go in this effortlessly cool and cozy sweatshirt, featuring a dreamy ocean-inspired graphic with a golden sun and palm tree. It's your perfect blend of comfort and coastal. The soft navy fabric and relaxed fit keep you comfortable for breezy boardwalk strolls, late night bonfires, or just lounging with seaside daydreams. And then the Blue Fog sweat pant values $68, and it follows the same where it says laid back beach vibes to your everyday life with the wide leg sweat pant made for lounging, strolling, or catching sunsets. They feature a relaxed fit with an easy stretch waistband for all day comfort. And then the coastal graphic completes it with a palm, sun, and waves and adds a splash of seaside style that keeps the ocean close no matter where you are. Love them. So fun. All right, a couple more things. I have this, which is the Wishbone Wine Stopper. I thought this was fun, you know, when you pop that cork. How fun is that? I like that. It says, values at $34. Keep your favorite wines fresh with a touch of seaside charm. This sleek wishbone stopper adds a playful, beachy vibe to your table. Perfect for sunset sips on the porch or picnics by the shore. Durable, stylish, and ready to bring a little coastal magic to every pour. It's adorable. I like that. All right, and the very last item is jewelry, and it is by And Every. And you did have choices. You could have got a bracelet if you liked, or you can get the jewelry. Adjustable stackable ring set. It's 100% recycled brass with glass stones, and these are so adorable. So let me show them to you. So the first one, check that out, the little sea glass. I love that. And then we add this one. Check that out. They are all adjustable, so I can adjust it to whichever finger I want to wear. And then, so we got the sun, and now we have the moon. They're all adorable. I like them all. And that's a wrap on all my items for the winter box. I thought this was fun. I loved it. So I have new jewelry. I have a whole new set here to wear. I have my wipes, my cork stopper for all the holiday fun, my soap. I'm set. This is fantastic. Let me know what you think, though. I'll put all the information for the Beachly box down below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe and swipe to hype, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody.